Hello guys, this is SJ1227 here, and today we are going to do explosion. So, it is cold here, snowing a little, and what we gotta do is add a little bit of vinegar. Oh, more.
Remember, don't use all of them because I'm going to do it.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Be careful. Mom said don't put it on your clothes.
Yeah.
It's cold. Sorry, I'm shivering a little.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Don't stop it yet. Oh my gosh.
Wow. I said it explodes up.
Want to add a little more in?
No, my turn.
Yeah,